Welcome to Bloom. We are now on the main menu. The Bloom title sits in the center of a dark panel with the tagline underneath. The user sees four main buttons: Play, Challenge Mode, How to Play, and Settings. The Play button starts a normal run. Challenge Mode opens special goal based runs. How to Play explains the rules, and Settings lets the user adjust the feel of the game. At the bottom, the score area shows no blooms recorded for a new player and later changes to top blooms after completed runs are saved. When the user selects play, the grid selection panel opens. This screen explains that larger grids give more room to grow, but also make collapse harder to control. The user can choose a 12 by 12 quick grid, an 18 by 18 standard grid, or a 24 by 24 expansive grid. The back button returns to the main menu without starting. Challenge mode presents three different objectives. Green Rush asks the user to reach 35% coverage before tick 45 on a 12 by 12 grid. Hold the Canopy asks the user to reach 45% coverage and survive to tick 100 on an 18 by 18 grid. Ancient Bloom asks the user to survive 180 ticks with automatic spreading disabled. Each challenge changes the strategy and gives the player a clear target before the run begins. The How to Play panel explains the full rule set. The user plants the first seed by clicking any cell. After that, growth can only move into an empty cell directly above, below, left, or right of a living bloom. The player has one growth action during each tick, and every living cell ages when the timer resets. The rules also explain that cells die after age 12 and cannot be replanted for 3 ticks. The colony must stay alive across generations, and the run ends if every cell dies at once. The score rewards peak coverage, survival time, and efficient use of manual growth. The settings panel gives the user two sliders. Preferred cell size changes how large the cells appear on the board, and animation speed changes how quickly time advances. The current value appears beside each control. The replay splash button plays the opening animation again, and the back button returns to the menu. In gameplay, the screen becomes a dark grid of cells. At the top, the tick counter shows the current time step. The progress bar shows how close the game is to the next tick. The bloom value shows current coverage, and the peak value shows the best coverage reached so far. Below the top bar, a small line chart tracks coverage over time. The objective text tells the user what the current run is asking them to do. On the left, the growth map minimap gives a compact overview of the whole board, and its toggle collapses or expands the panel. On the right, the pause button pauses the current run. The user clicks a valid empty cell to grow. New cells glow green, older cells darken as they age, and dying cells leave visual feedback as they collapse. If the user clicks too soon, clicks an occupied cell, or tries to grow away from the living colony, a short message appears with feedback such as wait for next tick, cell occupied, or grow next to a living cell. At the bottom, the status indicator shows how many cells are alive and how many died during the current tick. This tells the user whether the bloom is expanding, stabilizing, or close to collapse. When the pause button is selected, the growth paused overlay appears. Resume continues the run from the same moment. Return to menu exits the active game and brings the user back to the main menu. When the bloom collapses, the result screen appears. If the user completes a challenge or survives long enough, the title changes to reflect that success. The final score counts upward on screen, followed by a rank such as seedling, sapling, canopy, forest, or ancient bloom. The score breakdown shows peak coverage, total ticks survived, and the number of manual growth actions used. Bloom again restarts with the same setup, while main menu returns to the start. Bloom is a strategy game about choosing the right moment to expand, managing decay, and keeping a living colony alive for as long as possible.